Good day, guys. I'm Will. Welcome to my channel. It's gonna be a series on shared animation. Let's get right into it. So today being the first day, we'll answer some questions. So first of all, what are shared animation? So practically, this animation lets an element gradually changes from one shaded style to another. I'm looking at this for instance now. Now this shape has a background color of yellow at 0%, that is the beginning. Then at 100%, it changes to red. That is when it's completed, the animation. So basically, shades allows us to create animation without using JavaScript or Flash. So what are keyframes now? And what are they used for? So let's say keyframe is like a variable, a container that stores the action. So at action 1 it stores the action, at 2 an action is stored, 3, 4, 5 and like that. So definitely keyframes are action variables. So ask your question in the comment section and please subscribe to my channel.